The common misconception. Most people view walking as a light or optional activity for when they lack time for real exercise. The reality. Walking is foundational movement. It acts as a biological signal that changes brain function, stress regulation, blood sugar metabolism, and cellular energy production. The signal requirement. Many people walk but don't see benefits because their body doesn't recognize the movement as a meaningful signal. It requires consistency to trigger adaptation. Brain health and cognitive function. 1. Rebuilding the brain. The hippocampus, responsible for memory and learning, naturally shrinks with age, leading to decline. The study, older adults walking 40 minutes, 3 times per week for a year, showed a physical growth in the hippocampus. Walking boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which acts as fertilizer for brain cell growth and communication. 2. Enhancing creativity. Stanford researchers found walking increases creative output by 60%. Mechanics, movement acts as a pump for blood and oxygen to the brain and activates the default mode network, the system responsible for insight and connecting ideas. Metabolic and physical systems. 3. Blood sugar stabilization. Walking makes muscles pull glucose from the bloodstream for fuel with very little insulin required. Post-meal walks, just 10 minutes of walking after a meal can reduce blood sugar spikes more effectively than one long workout later in the day. Cellular energy, mitochondria. Walking stimulates the creation of new mitochondria, energy factories, and clears out damaged ones. Unlike intense workouts that spike stress hormones, walking builds sustainable energy without exhaustion. Digestion and oxygen use. Digestion, physical movement stimulates natural intestinal contractions, reducing bloating and constipation. Breathing, it trains the diaphragm and improves oxygen efficiency, reducing everyday fatigue. Heart and joint health. Heart, walking provides comparable benefits to running, lower blood pressure/cholesterol, without overstressing the heart or joints. Joints, movement stimulates joint lubrication, sitting is what causes deterioration, not walking. Stress and mood regulation. Cortisol control, rhythmic walking activates the parasympathetic nervous system, rest and repair, signaling safety to the brain. Chemistry, it increases serotonin and endorphins, making it a powerful tool for managing anxiety and depression. Signal versus noise, occasional movement is treated as noise by the body. Repeatable movement is treated as a signal to adapt. Repetition is king. A 15-minute walk 5 days a week outperforms a single intense session followed by 6 sedentary days. Identity, consistency tells your body that movement is part of your identity, causing health benefits to stack quietly in the background. The 7-day challenge. For the next week, show up most days and walk intentionally at a steady pace. Accountability, viewers are encouraged to comment with their specific plan, I'm walking 20 minutes, to make the commitment real. Synergy, walking sets the signal. Nutrition, like the doctor's video on eggs, provides the building blocks for results.